What if I tell you that there is a platform that you can backtest your trading strategy totally for free? And the platform is exactly like TradingView. I know the struggles of starting to learn forex and you have to pay for every single thing. Kind of the reason why I opened this channel, Trading from the Soul, where I teach you the smart money trading concept totally for free, with each video being made. So let's start with the backtesting tool. So the platform is called tradacasa. So you go to Google, you type tradacasa. It is this first one here. You have to actually sign up. It doesn't take you more than 30 seconds to do that by clicking this sign up option right here and click on backtest here now. So you click on new section, guys. I'm gonna name this guy YouTube tutorial and I'll click the starting balance as $8,000. Then I'll select the pair EURUSD and I'll choose the year 2023, then the month January 1st. Just click on save. Once you're done with saving, you click on any one of these now to play it. First of all, can you see now you have the option to customize candlesticks to look like whatever preference you want. Now I customize this now to look like my charts now. So I'm going to be showing you around this platform by backtesting my trading strategy. I can get my tools from here now. I can even also favorite most of the tools by clicking on star each one of them now. For my trading strategy, start with the daily time frame here now. So what I want from daily time frame is I kind of zoom out, so I will understand what the market has been doing for a while now. We can see that markets have been a downtrend, serious downtrend. Can you see from this level to this level here now? So I kind of pay attention what the market did recently. So from what the market did recently is we can see what some kind of an inducement right here now mitigates this level before this push to the downside, guys. And we sat here for a while. Now we can see currently that market what is in a minute uptrend, but I don't think the uptrend can be long. Expecting kind of reversal from here to trade to the downside here now. So once I've understand this now, I also want to see currently what candle daily is giving me. So we can see daily candle close kind of bullish right here now, taking out the highs of the previous daily candle. Now this will allow you know what the market want to do for the next few weeks. So once I've gotten this analogy from my daily time frame now, what I'll do is I'll move to my 4 hour. My 4 hour now, there's something I want to confirm. I do confirm whether a valid low has been taken or not. Once you have a trading strategy, you have to actually wait for all this now. Check all the boxes. Can you see how I'm checking all my boxes here now? One thing about trading is that trading will teach you patience now. Let me tell you guys, before I started trading, I used to be one impatient guy like that. Like my friends around me, they used to tell me, "Guy, Popo, you lack patience." So this is where my valid low was at here now. And once it was taken, I can confirm this option movement right here to the upside. So I have this high now that I'm looking at currently, and I have this low that I'm looking at currently, and also have this low right here now. So this is simply how I trade everything. Now don't you see? At least by the end of this video, you learn one or two from all this now. This is a valid low here now. I'm looking at right here now. So let's see what the market want to do now. Guys, power of patience is very, very important now. If you have a dream and you don't have the ability to wait for the dream to unravel, believe me, there is no need of having a dream or setting a goal now. Believe me, once you've done a lot of things over and over again, that the process of doing that particular thing will definitely bore you. People say that most times why people have failed dreams is not because of they lack the discipline or anything to use in working to getting the dream to so levels. It's just that sometimes it bores them. It will bore you. There is a time that you do things over and over again. So, and believe me, the first times you're doing those things now, you will not see results. That's when patience comes in now. You see, when you put in the hard work over and over again, I remember my early days of trading, if you see the amount of hard work I used to put in now, but you will not see results immediately. Even people, before trading, I engaged in YouTube. Tweeting, I did YouTube for a year. I got only 3 subscribers. My brother and two random guys like that. Those guys, they used to watch my video once in a while. It always be my brother. He really want to watch. He really want to like. He really want to comment. Like before I even post video, I will know that this is going to be his comment now. So this is the power of patience. Can you see in this my YouTube channel now? Just how many months of doing something right consistently? Can you see? I'm almost at 300 subscribers now. So this power of patience now. I will not say that I didn't learn something from what I did here. So this is my entry, guys, here now. This is where I got my entry. This low here now. So this high here now is actually my entry, guys, here. Something like this now. So once I see this from the 1 hour time frame, I'll move to the 1 minute, guys. Now what I want to do is I find unmitigated levels now from this level that I marked out. If you're in my mentorship, you know how I talk about was this level was being broken right here. This is the level that was being broken now. Just that I was telling you guys story, I couldn't mark it out very fast. I fast forwarded it too fast now. So this is my level here now, unmitigated level right here now, to this low here now. Then here I also have another level here now. They are all valid for me now. So I used to place my entries here. I'll go back to here now. This level is a little bit big now, but these smaller ones now, I'll enter here now. So I used to keep my stop loss 2 pips below this level. So our target, first of all, I used to have 2 orders here. So our target 1 is to 5. First of all, that's what I used to target now. Also, I'll have an order right here, this level here now. Yeah. So once it clicks 1 to 5, now I'll move to my 1 hour time frame, guys. Now, so what I want from my 1 hour time frame to do is my 1 hour to break its structural low. Now I'll show you once it appears now. So I'll allow my 1 hour to be running. Sometimes, can you see how market came now? Now after taking out 50% from this 1 is to 5, now market would have stopped me out at what? After running for 1 is to 11, would have stopped me out at this level now, but it continued moving to the upside now. So now this is what I mean by structural low that I want here now. So I want this level to be taken out. Once it is taken out, I will exit the market. So this is small ads that come once a while. Why using it? Believe me, it is worth it now than going to purchase TradingView. Not that TradingView is bad, it's just that as of recently there's one thing TradingView learned now. I don't know whether you're experiencing this. If you're experiencing this, please drop it at the comment section now. If you finish buying TradingView data now, you want to go to 1 minute to backtest, you notice that the thing is telling you that you cannot go to 1 minute now, that you have to pay more money on top of the backtesting something that you bought now. Drop your opinion at the comment section if you're experiencing this with TradingView now. So that's one thing about TradingView currently now. So it means that new beginners traders won't be able to survive in this industry if they have to pay for backtesting to twice or thrice. I'll allow this guy run for 1 is to 25 before I take the other 50% now. So remember my structural low is here. Also another order is right here now. This low is unmitigated. Price action could come back here now to retest this level. So let's see. Can you see what happened here, guys? Now market stopped me out at the break even, so it means that the only thing I had from this trade was 15.5 RR now. So what I took out from this trade is actually 2.5 RR, guys, now, but the trade ran up to 15 RR, 19 RR. That's one thing with me. I follow my rules conservatively, guys. I follow it conservatively. So again, I had an entry from here now, and the entry stopped me out, guys, here now. So I'll go back to my 4-hour time frame now. I'll delete this level. Okay, can you see? Did we test this level? Yes, we test this level now. So let me delete this. So again, market retested here now. This is my entry signal here now. This like this. So guys, I also want to talk about the power of discipline now. Do you know what discipline means, guys? Discipline is the art of doing something, especially when you don't feel like doing it. You tell yourself, just because of I don't feel like doing this particular something. Okay, it will look something like this now. Discipline is as far as you don't want to do that particular thing, that's the main reason you should do it. So this kind of detaches your emotion, it kind of detaches how you feel from doing that particular something now. So this was most of us enter trading undisciplined. That's why most of us are still struggling with trading currently now. Believe me, the last place you people learned about discipline is your primary school. Apart from primary school, I don't think there is anything again about discipline in this life. Most people live their life so carelessly. So I don't think I have anything here now. So that's why once you enter trading now, trading will first of all discipline you. You see, we didn't retrace this level now. Believe me, trading will mess with you. If it is not messing with you, it will tell you that it doesn't owe you. It doesn't owe you anything. That's why 80% of people you see in trading are actually struggling. If you want to actually learn the rules involved in trading, so now that I'm in my 4-hour, what I'll do is I look for my internal structure imbalance. This covers everything. Can you see how I took that particular loss? This is power of risk management. My trades don't. I can remember the first times I was trading, I would take loss. It will bore me. I will talk. I will do everything. I will be sad. It's me taking losses, and believe me, it doesn't move me. Just like another trade. That is to tell you that your success in trading is not being calculated with one particular trade. Even your wins, you're winning the success of your trading, rather with so many amounts of trades you've taken. Successful traders even lose more. So once you allow this now, you don't let one trading loss affect your trading decision in the market. You take one trade, you go and frown face. You take one trade, you PO, you don't have to regulate, you don't know how to regulate emotion. You go and, because of risk management is bad now, you think one trade will pass account for you, it will make you rich overnight. You reach 3%, you reach 4%. I'm talking about profit traders though. This was towards emotional control now. You have to learn how to regulate your emotions now. So I name here my CL now. If you're in my academy, my mentorship, you know how I'll talk about this CL right here, where it helps us move price. So I can see another CL right here now. Another CL right here now. So most people are roller coasters of men are actually ladies these days. I'm telling you the truth. Men are actually ladies. I don't blame men, because of they say that hard times create strong men and soft times create weak men. Our men have to be taught how things are, what obligations are, knowing the obligation you owe to yourself. So you see yourself, if something is happening to you in trading, you are all over. I don't know how to put it out for you. You must learn how to regulate your emotion. So I'm going to be moving to my 1 hour. If you master your emotions, nothing in the universe will be able to master you. If you learn how to control your emotions, when you are reacting, you know that you are reacting from your own will, not by something is pushing you. Believe me, most of the times, if you realize this, that most things in the universe, you don't have control over it. You don't control the way events in life happens. You don't control the outcomes of your trades. The only control you have over it is actually your reaction to it. When something bad is happening to you next time, tell yourself this now. The something I have control over is I don't control the outcome, but I control my reaction to this now. A calm man can be able to conquer every tempting in the universe. Then again, something I want to talk about is continuous. You have to continuously learn and adapt in trading, guys. Adapt in trading, and the power of getting the right information in trading, guys. Believe me, listening to a particular mentor just for listening sake can cost you 4 years of your trading. I'm telling you the truth. So that's why it's very, very important to choose a channel that is verified to learn from on YouTube. Don't just learn from any random, and don't learn from so many YouTube channels their way of trading. Pick certain people and learn from. So this is my level here now. This is what I need here now. So I'll move to the 1 minute now. So the same thing that I did with dollar example now. Once price action broke above this level right here now, so I'll point out all my unmitigated zones right here. First place that I point out was here. Another place I had was here. Another place I had was here now. So I'm making entries from each one of these guys now. My entry here is stop loss to fix below here. Target 1:5 RR. You see this guy almost got to 1:5 for my first take profit before taking us out at what loss here. This is actually loss, guys, now. So now once this guy have been cleared, now we can't re-enter again from here now. Wait for price action to retest here now. So let me tell you guys, talk about the power of proper trading plan in trading. It's very, very important. If you don't have a proper trading plan now, you trade so many strategies in one particular strategy. So many people trade concepts and not a plan. You trade the concept of this, trade from the concept of this, you learn from 100 different guys on YouTube and you join it together and not trade. So my stop loss continuing here now, and below here now. So here now I target 1:5 first of all. So once I've been able to target 1:5, take a 50% of my position here now. So I let the remaining run to, and I manage the trade from moving to my 1 hour time frame now. I told you guys about structural low to be breaking. Currently we don't have any structural low, so we are currently running at 1:16. This was so mad, guys. 1:16 now. So let's see. Okay, I target 1:20 to 25, or it will stop me out at a structural low. So now can you see structural low have appeared here now? So this is what I want here. Price action take out these guys now. It will take me out to the remaining 50% here now, and that will signify we are reversing now. So let's continue. When I will get 1:25. Okay guys, can you see? We actually got our full take profits. Did you see what the market wanna do? I see. Even after it hit the market was going up, but I think what the market is giving me. Can you see? Crazy push to the upside, guys. So guys, you have to actually have the mental toughness while trading. This thing is very, very important. Mentally be strong. If you're not, you are the type of guy that is not mentally strong, believe me, you have to develop those skills right here now. And also, you have to be organized. Traders are not disorganized. You're organized. That's why if you see most traders now, most traders are actually professional people. It will teach you how to be organized now, because you know once you are setting an alarm for particular something, you have to actually wait for. Actually, have my CL here. So let me see what I will go to my 1 hour. The one thing I am good with if I enter trading is time management. I'm very, very good with time management. But at least trading taught me how to be more specific with what I was doing. Mistake I think traders make is balance lifestyle now. Most people don't balance trading and other activities. Most traders stay indoors every damn day. Believe me, you have to move your body around. Imagine you have a car and you don't move it at least once a while. Do you think the car will be function properly? Let me tell you, you are a system. You have to actually, so much price action to retest here. You are actually a system. You have to actually service your system now. Let me tell you that your lifestyle controls the result of your trading now. So once you're staying indoors totally, and you don't go out to collect sunlight, you don't go out to even socialize with people, do you know what you end up doing now? You kind of tell your body sense of depression, kind of isolation or loneliness, guys. This will totally affect your trading result. Let me change this to 1 hour so we don't always miss that thing now. Okay, we broke below here now. So once this low have been broken, I move to the 4 hour now. Your lifestyle will affect your trading because of things that are happening inside you now. Will control whatever something that is happening, affect your decisions. Sometimes you'll have fatigue. You'll be crippled. You'll not be able to act on your setup once you see it. So that's why the power of networking and joining a community will increase your trading results. We show a drastic upward movement for your trading result. It's very, very important for your trading result. Don't trade alone. Find someone now. Then try to socialize now. Try to have an other hobby. Go out to gym. So for me, recently, I tried getting an outdoor getting roller. So you learn something like that will take you outside, you know, exercise your muscles, do things now, because it affects your trading now. And make sure you find a trading body, a trading community, which if you don't already have, we have one at Trading from the Soul right here now. Click on the link in this video description to join. Why I'm introducing all these things now is the things I'm teaching you in this channel. I want you to be backtesting it with this platform now, so that you don't see people will be complaining, trading view this one, give me trading view logins please. I've given you this free backtesting software now. There's no something of you saying that you cannot become a successful trader now. You have everything at your fingertips now. What is remaining now is you need a mentor now. You need someone to hold you by the right hand to cross a bridge. If I should show you how to cross a bridge and tell you to go and cross it now, if you are crossing it, you actually have problem with it now, because of you might see some things happening around you and you'll be scared. You need someone to guide you by the hand now. So now you don't just learn from every YouTube channel or different mentors. Now you get a strategy that works now. Can you see now? If you notice something with my strategy, I use one exact thing now. and I repeat it. I know different places the market will react off, but I don't trade it now because of I know the reason of doing one particular thing over and over again. Now I can see my strategy now have loss. Now I take my loss with gladness, but once it comes now, it is powerful. This is what I teach in my trading now. Ability to take a loss and maximize your winners. Now can you see a winner that I have here is able to run for 1:25 risk to reward ratio. When I was speaking with ChatGPT, I told ChatGPT about this now. I catch this part trade now. ChatGPT was like, this is not possible because it's unrealistic for him now. It was like, you have a very great trading system, so you have to find a trading system that works now, which if you don't have, you click on the link in the description now to join my academy. I teach you a step-by-step guide now on what trading now. I have a setup for swing traders, I have for day traders, I have for position size traders. So this thing is really important in trading your strategy. If not, you continue talking about psychology. Let me tell you, psychology and your strategy works hand in hand. If your psychology, you say your psychology is bad now, you don't know that your strategy is bad. Your strategy will give you 20 losses in a row, 10 losses in a row, and you'll be crying, it's my psychology. Why? What you actually need to fix is your strategy. If you're struggling with trading, let me tell you, every great mentor have been there. So just take it as this is your time to suffer it. Will it kill you? No, it won't. But if you overcome this step, it's going to change your trading journey forever. I know many people might be laughing at you about trading currently now. It's not funny saying that, guy, you spent so many times now, so many hours, so many years in trading, and you're not seeing any results yet now. Let me tell you now, you can lose for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and just 2 weeks, good 2 weeks that the market will turn around for you now, will change your whole trading and recover back those losses for you. That's one thing about trading now. Once it starts kicking it for you, now. But make sure that what you are learning from one mistake, if you fail a trade, make sure you learn from it. Make sure you don't repeat that same thing that made you do this thing now. About 18 said that a man that haven't made a mistake haven't tried out anything new. If you're not making mistake, how do you know that you are progressing? If you don't fail, how do you know that you are getting to the next level? So if you like my strategy, the way I trade, your link to sign up is there now. If you're struggling with trading, I have a 3-day free trading course for you now, for what you really need to be a successful trader. To still be linked at this video's description, so do where to check it out. So if you're struggling with trading, just know that you are not alone. We have you trading from the Soul family has you here now. And I want to remind you that Nipsey also said that the optimum measure of a man is not during his time of happiness or pleasure, but during his time of controversy. Those times he's sad. Those are the times empires are being built. So give this video a like and subscribe if you found it helpful.